Starting an e-commerce business sounds exciting, considering all the success stories you see online, right? But when you actually sit down to figure out the steps, it can feel overwhelming. You can watch endless video tutorials, but at the end, you still don't know where to begin. If you're nodding along, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you a beginner-friendly path to launch your e-commerce store and tell you about a resource that could fast-track your success. At its core, e-commerce is simple. You sell a product online, someone buys it, and you deliver it. But the tricky part is everything in between, like choosing the right product, finding suppliers, building a store, driving traffic, and convincing people to buy your product. You may spend hours researching online only to end up more confused because there are so many different options and strategies out there. Here's the truth. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You need a proven framework from someone who is successful with e-commerce and is willing to honestly share what worked for them. This way, you can save yourself from frustration, avoid costly mistakes, and get your e-commerce business up and running faster. That's where the One Funnel Away Challenge comes in. It's an intense but beginner-friendly program designed to take you from "I have no idea what I'm doing" to "I've got my first e-com store set up" in just 10 days. Now you may be wondering, what is so special about the One Funnel Away Challenge and why it would be better than other e-commerce courses for beginners? There are a few reasons for that. Reason number one, you will learn from an entrepreneur who has already achieved enormous success with e-com business and is willing to share his strategies. His name is Trey Llewellyn. He sold millions in e-commerce over the last 5 years, and within 10 days of intensive training, he will teach you his battle-proven approach to finding or creating products people want and sell them online. But you don't just get course videos. You also get live weekly training sessions with Trey and the OFA consulting team. Whether you're stuck on tech issues, unsure about your strategy, or need some feedback on your offer, these live sessions provide real-time support. This kind of access to experienced coaches is rare. Most courses leave you to figure things out on your own, but here you have a dedicated team to help you every step of the way. If you cannot wait to dive into the course and start learning, you can find a link to enroll into the challenge in the description of this video. And if you use our link, you will also receive our exclusive bonuses. Reason number two why the One Funnel Away Challenge is the best e-commerce course for beginners is the easy-to-follow content and clear, detailed assignments. Let's see what you are going to learn during this e-commerce course for beginners. But before we do that, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications to not miss out on future content. During the first 3 lessons, you will learn how to define a profitable niche and select a perfect product based on criteria proven by Trey's experience. Then you will see how to validate your product idea to ensure that it has the potential to be successful, and dive into the pricing formula. As you can see, for every lesson, you also receive a workbook that helps you digest the lesson's materials and complete the assignments. Once you decide what product you are going to sell and validate it, you can start building a funnel and a store to sell it. No worries, you don't have to be tech-savvy to do that. Using ClickFunnels and all the instructions from the lessons, you will be able to do it in no time. You even get prompts that you can paste to ChatGPT and create proven sales copy for your product. What's even better, just with a click of a button, you can import a sales funnel for your product or the whole e-com framework into your ClickFunnels account. The framework will include a funnel template, a store, products based on the pricing model you will learn during the course, theme, and style guide for the ClickFunnels workspace. And last but not least, email templates to send to your customers. All you would need to do is to customize the text and the images. A few lessons in the course are dedicated to the customization of the funnel pages. And last but not least, you will also learn the basics of Facebook ads and can dive deeper into the e-commerce business with the advanced training. As you can see, this e-commerce course for beginners from the One Funnel Away Challenge covers everything you need to build and launch your e-commerce business from scratch. If you're now wondering how much money you will have to drop to access all these valuable learning materials, here's the best part. You can get access to the One Funnel Away Challenge that includes the e-commerce course for just $100. But it gets even better. In addition to the e-commerce course, you will also get 90 days of ClickFunnels for you to hit the ground running with your funnel and store. By the way, the lowest plan of ClickFunnels is priced at $97 per month, and you will have 3 full months included with the challenge. Then you will also get access to Fill Your Funnel Challenge to learn how to start attracting organic traffic for free, and access to the Funnel Hacker Library with the courses to further develop your marketing skills. And of course, you can also go through the expert track of the One Funnel Way Challenge if you want to learn how to package your knowledge and expertise and sell info products. For all the value and support you're getting, it's an incredible deal to kickstart your e-commerce journey. Now let's be real, the One Funnel Way Challenge isn't for someone who wants overnight success without effort. But if you're serious about starting your e-commerce business and you're willing to commit just 1 hour a day for 30 days, this e-commerce course is exactly what you need. So here's the deal. If you're ready to stop dreaming about an e-commerce business and actually start building one, use the link in the description to join the One Funnel Way Challenge today. I can say from the experience that by the end of the 30 days, you will be amazed at how much you have learned and accomplished. And if you have questions about the challenge, leave them in the comments below and I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on our future videos.